In Mount Liang, there is a group of highly skilled Wushu masters in the water margin heroes. Lin Qiu, Lu Qishen, Wu Song, Li Kui, Sun Ernyang, Gu Sanyang. They arrived at the peak of Mount Hua to observe the celestial phenomena at night and calculated that a major crisis would occur in the human world 1,000 years later. Therefore, they boarded the time gourd and came to the present day in the 21st century, vowing to pass on the profound Chinese martial arts to modern children and assist them in growing into strong and healthy young individuals, safeguarding their homes and defending their country.